Book Chapter 1 Test, Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Books Class, 11th. Subject, Chemistry. Marks, 50. Time, 1 hour. Sparkle's topics covered: mole concept, empirical, molecular formula, laws of chemical combination, percentage composition, molarity, molality, mole fraction, limiting reagent, accuracy, precision, significant figures and calculations. Red Circle Section A. Multiple choice questions, 1 mark each times 10 equals 10 marks. Question 1. Which of the following has the highest number of atoms? A. 1 mole of CO. B. 1 mole of HO. C. 1 mole of O. D. 1 mole of CH. Question 2. What is the number of significant figures in 0.004500 grams? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Question 3. According to the law of definite proportions, a given compound always contains A. Equal masses of elements. B. Equal volumes of elements. C. The same elements in the same ratio by mass. D. Variable composition. Question 4. 2.5 moles of O contains how many molecules? A. 1.505 times 10 squared cubed. B. 2.505 times 10 squared to the power of 4. C. 1.505 times 10 squared to the power of 4. D. 2.505 times 10 squared cubed. Question 5. The empirical formula of a compound is CH. Its molecular mass is 78. What is the molecular formula? A. CH. B. CH. C. CH. D. CH. Question 6. Which reagent limits the amount of product formed in a chemical reaction? A. Catalyst. B. Limiting reagent. C. Excess reagent. D. Water. Question 7. 0.5 molar solution means A. 0.5 moles solute in 1000 milliliter solvent. B. 0.5 moles solute in 1000 grams solvent. C. 0.5 moles solute in 100 grams solvent. D. 0.5 moles solute in 1 L solution. Question 8. Which law states that, under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules? A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of multiple proportions. C. Avogadro's law. D. Law of reciprocal proportion. Question 9. Rounding off 3.4662 to 3 significant figures gives A. 3.46. B. 3.47. C. 3.4. D. 3.5. Question 10. A solution contains 9 grams of NaCl. Molar mass equals 58.5 grams per mole in 500 milliliters of solution. What is its molarity? A. 0.154 m. B. 0.31 m. C. 0.18 m. D. 0.25 m. Blue Circle Section B. Very short answer type questions, 2 marks each times 5 equals 10 marks. Question 11. Define the law of conservation of mass with one example. Question 12. How many moles are there in 11.2 L of methane at STP? Question 13. State the difference between precision and accuracy with one example. Question 14. Define molality and give its SI unit. Question 15. What is the mass percent of oxygen in HO? Yellow circle section C. Short answer type questions, 3 marks each times 5 equals 15 marks. Question 16. Calculate the empirical and molecular formula of a compound containing 75% carbon and 25% hydrogen by mass. Its molar mass is 30 grams per mole. Question 17. How many grams of CO will be produced when 10 grams of cocoa is heated completely? Ce equals 40, C equals 12, O equals 16. Question 18. A sample of compound contains 2.40 grams of magnesium and 1.60 grams of oxygen. Show that the data supports the law of constant proportion. Mg equals 24, O equals 16. Question 19. A mixture of 5.0 grams of H and 20.0 grams of O is ignited to form water. Identify the limiting reagent and calculate the amount of water formed. H equals 1, O equals 16. Question 20. A solution is prepared by dissolving 5 grams of urea, NH-CON, in 95 grams of water. Calculate the mole fraction of urea in the solution. Molar mass of urea equals 60 grams per mole, water equals 18 grams per mole. Green circle section D. Long answer type questions, 5 marks each times 3 equals 15 marks. Question 21. A. Define molarity and derive the formula to calculate it. 2 marks. B. Calculate the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 10 grams of NO in 500 milliliters of solution. Na equals 23, O equals 16, H equals 1, 3 marks. Question 22. An oxide of nitrogen contains 30.4% nitrogen. Calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound. The molar mass is 92 grams per mole. N equals 14, O equals 16. Question 23. Calculate the percentage composition of each element in NaSO. Na equals 23, S equals 32, O equals 16. Book